Want a tent that lets you sleep beneath the stars without sacrificing privacy? Meet the Dome Oasis, a portable glamping glamorous camping structure that offers a 360-degree view of nature and the starry night sky. Created by Lithuanian designer Vytautas Puzeras, the fully enclosed dome is outfitted with thick fabric curtains and hidden storage for a comfortable and minimalist stay. Puzeras' passion for kitesurfing and traveling was the impetus for Oasis. Unable to find a portable housing structure that still allowed him to feel connected with nature, Puzeras opted to create his own. The final design is a beautiful and minimalist dome-shaped unit that immerses users into the surroundings and can easily fit in a small trailer or large,